In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website name in Wix, a step-by-step guide for 2020. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the entire process so you can easily update your website's name, making it more fitting for your brand or project. To begin, you'll first want to go to the Wix website and log into your account. If you haven't done this before, make sure you have your login credentials at hand. Navigating to your Wix dashboard is straightforward. Once logged in, you'll see your current projects displayed on the homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on your Wix homepage, look for your current website listed there. To the right of each site name, you should see a series of 3 dots or a little icon labeled Site Actions. This is where you'll find additional options for managing your site beyond the basic overview. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu containing various site management options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to find the option labeled Rename Site. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new interface where you can modify the name of your site. It's a simple but crucial step, so make sure to have your new site name ready. This interface is where you'll make the actual change, so take your time to ensure that your new name is spelled correctly and accurately reflects the purpose or branding of your site. After you've entered your desired website name, consider if you also need to change the actual site address or URL. The next step involves updating your site address if that's necessary. It's important to remember that changing a URL can affect things like SEO and previous visitors' bookmarks, so be deliberate with this decision. Now, after ensuring both your site name and address are correct, the final step is to simply click on the Save button. This action will update all your changes in the Wix system and apply them to your website. It's always a good tip to double-check everything before hitting save to avoid any mistakes that could be time-consuming to fix later. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your website name on Wix. This process, as you can see, is fairly intuitive, but knowing exactly where to click and what options to choose gives you an edge in managing your digital spaces effectively. Keep in mind, whenever you're planning significant changes like these, it's also a good idea to let your audience know in advance if it impacts how they access your website. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for making your Wix site management a breeze.